And now it's a battle between Bulacan and Bacolod for our upcoming game. So after this game, babalik tayo sa ating Pool A. This will be the last game for our Pool D for the boys division. Zone 3, Bulacan, going up against Zone 7, Bacolod. Coming up next. Okay, team vote off muna tayo for Team Bulacan. The SPP 3 Extreme Pambansang Tatluan 2026 National Finals is presented to us by Molten. Thank you so much to our presenting partners, Philippine Sports Commission, Signal, MVP Sports Foundation, SM Center Muntinlupa, Adidas, PLDT, and Sport. Bakbakang Bulacan kontra Bacolod. Susunod na yan. Sisimulan na natin ang ating bakbakan. Zone 3 Bulacan kontra Zone 7 Bacolod para sa ating SPP 3 Extreme Pambansang Tatluan 2026 National Finals. Presented to us by Molten. Kaya SM Center Muntinlupa talaga tatlo na. May hawak ng bola ang Bacolod ngayon, pero nakuha ng Bulacan. And that will give our possession to Bacolod. Umangat na rebound ng Bulacan. They have to take it out outside the yard. That is an automatic offensive foul for Bulacan, which gave them their first team foul. Samantala, ang Bacolod, can they manage to get their first basket on this play? Let's take a look. Hesitating. Nope. Nakakuha ng Bulacan yan. From outside the arc. Get that spin. Nice bounce pass. 1 point na ang Bulacan dyan. Bulacan na naman na may hawak ng bola. Spin move. Kick out pass. Basket is good. Which gave them a 2-point lead against Bacolod. Ito naman, lumayap ang Bacolod. Yun! Nakaputos na ang Bacolod dyan. Pero ang bilis na sagot ng Bulacan. It's 3-1 in favor of Bulacan. Umikot ang Bacolod. Pumping, nilabas. Lumayap, wala. Bulacan na naman na may hawak ng bola with 5 seconds on the shot clock. From top of the key, no. For 2, that is good for Bacolod. We are now tied at 3. Bounce pass. No basket. There's a foul for Black Team. Umangat. No good. From outside the 3-point area, rather 2-point area, no good. Ilabas. Sino pa ang makakuha ng bola? Bacolod, umatake. Kick out pass to his teammate. Nice bounce pass and a nifty layup. Umangat na naman ang Bulacan doon. Tabla na tayo sa 4. No good on that shot. Putting his moves on. And that is good for Bacolod, which gave them the lead 5-4. Meanwhile, umangat ang Bulacan. Yun, nakakuha na nila ang tabla sa tira na yan. Pero tumira na naman sa 2 ang Bacolod. 7-5 ang ating talaan. Nakuha pa rin ng white team ang bola na yan. From the corner, no good. Pumipwersa sa ilalim. Medyo nawala. 5 seconds on the shot clock. From the outside. No good. Ang Bulacan, natawagan ng traveling. 7-5 ang ating score in favor of Bacolod. Bulacan trying to narrow the lead which they did with just 1. Pero ang bilis naman sumagot ng Bacolod dun. 8-6 ang ating score. At nakakuha ng foul ang Team Bulacan. Bacolod with their first team foul. Nice long pass. Umangat ang Team Bulacan. Nakakuha sila ng puntos doon. Isa na lang kalamangan ng Bacolod. The outside again. No. Out of bounds. Four minutes remaining for this game. What a nifty move for Bulacan, which tied the ball game at 8 apiece. Draw pass. Nakakuha naman ng foul ang Bacolod doon against Bulacan, which gave Bulacan their 3rd team foul. We are still tied at 8 with 3 minutes and 35 seconds remaining. Crossover. Back shot. No good for Bacolod. Umangat. Lefty move is good. That's a warning for Bacolod. kailangan bibigyan natin sila ng puwang ang ating opponents once you guys made the basket para mailabas ang bola. Yun, nakakuha na naman ang puntos sa Bulacan. Sagutan to. Pero, out of bounds ang Bacolod dyan. Bigay natin ang possession sa Bulacan. 2 minutes and 43 seconds. Right after this game, nako, pupunta na tayo again sa Pool A. Laban ng Zone 9 versus Zone 8 para sa ating Girls Division, Pool A. Ready na tayo? Zone 9 and Zone 8. You are up next. 10-9 ang score pa rin natin dito in favor of Bulacan, which extended their lead to 11-9. Makatabla kaya ang Bacolod dito? No? Bulacan. From the elbow. No good. Crossover. Muntik na wala ang bola sa kanyang tangan. And that is a 2-point attempt. Wala. 1 minute and 30 seconds remain. Bulacan, umangat. At nakakuha pa ng foul. That's the 13th foul for Bacolod. Trying to extend the lead for Bulacan to 3. If they manage to get this basket in, wala on that shot. Pero sila pa rin na nakabuha ng rebound. Crossover. Muntik na wala ang bola. And that is a shot clock reset. From a kickball violation. Bacolod basketball. Crossover from the corner for the tie, no good. Rebound ng Bulacan. Umangat na naman sila. Muntik na mamlangan pero nakakuha ng foul. That's the 4th team foul for Bacolod. Mailayo kaya ang kalamangan sa tatlo ng Bulacan kung ma-issue nila ang free throw na to. Yun, 12-9 ang ating talaan. Wala na naman ang 2-point attempt ng Bacolod. What a crossover! What a shot! Yo! That is a basket for Bulacan. And nakakuha agad ng sagot ang Bacolod dun. 13-11. Yun! Ang bilis naman, nasagutan ng basketball natin dito. Nasa labas na naman. For 2, go! 25 seconds remaining. Bulacan, hawak ang bola. Black ball. Can Bacolod narrow the lead for this shot? No! Nakakuha na naman ang foul ng Bulacan dyan. That's a 5th team foul ng Bacolod. Pwede na lang i-dribble out na to in order for them to get the win. Pero umatake pa rin. Bounce pass, no good! Nasa labas, ang Bacolod. Tumira ng dos, wala! And that will do it! Bulacan and a nice effort for Team Bacolod. Diyan natapos ang ating Pool D. Para sa mga labanan natin ngayong araw na ito,